In today's video, I will walk you through how to manage devices on your Wise account. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along. And let's get started. First, go to your Wise account and click on your profile icon or initials. From the menu, look for the Security and Privacy. This is where Wise provides options related to protecting your account and managing access. Once you're in the security settings, look for Devices section. Select this option to view the devices or active sessions associated with your Wise account. You may see information about the devices where your account is currently signed in. Take a moment to review the list carefully. Check whether the devices shown are ones that you recognize and still use. Select the device you want to remove and follow the confirmation steps shown by Wise.
This is especially useful if you've stopped using an old computer, replaced your phone, or accessed your Wise account from a shared or temporary device. And that's how you can manage devices on your Wise account. I hope this tutorial helped you keep better control of your Wise account access. Please like and subscribe for more simple Wise tutorials and helpful guides.